We need to get this sheet of HDU cut down on the SawStop table saw for a sign project that we got coming up. We just started selling the SawStop on our website, and I'm really excited about that. This is definitely my favorite table saw, and that right there is one of the reasons why. That is a brake that if your finger were to come into contact with the blade, the brake will fire and stop in a fraction of a second, leaving you with a small scratch instead of a much more serious injury. So we've got the material set up, and the blade, this is the PR1040C, ready to go. And I love having a large tabletop like this, especially for breaking down larger sheets. The fence is an absolute dream and is perfectly square and easy to set up. So we got a really nice smooth cut with the HDU foam and the PR1040C. So we'll slide that fence over just a little bit again, and we will do the next cut just to square up this piece. Now we'll be able to start the next project with a nice square piece. So I'm happy to say that we're selling this on our website. It's definitely my favorite brand, not only for the safety features, but it's a very high quality piece of machinery. So definitely check that out on our site. Have a great day, everybody.